spinning down on Avalanche.
Yeah, the smaller version of Dead Bod was actually ranked #1 for horizontal scores in the middleweight class in the UK. They said of the 12-pounder Dead Bod, in fact, it does exist.
This is brand new. Yeah, this is their first ever combat robotics event. Never built it or what did I say? Man, everybody's struggling at this point. That first impact really did a lot of damage on both bots.
Yes, you know, this is what Dead Bod wanted. Avalanche record is down now. They're going to be even on damage. Of course, Avalanche lasted longer. You know, the judges will think about that unless there's more damage that occurs. Avalanche is going pretty slowly. Is Dead Bod able to win this war of attrition here? Or was Avalanche's early flurry going to be enough? There's a collection of smaller robots in the corner. I think that's going to balance out. They all seem dead there.